Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum and good day everyone. Today we are presenting our business model canvas, which is our company is Visionary Capture Studio. My name is Tengku Yuswan Syami bin Tengku Yaya and my metric number is L2480484. First of all is customer segments. Our photoshoot service targets several customers groups. This includes individuals such as couples for pre-wedding or anniversary shoots, family and professional who need photos for personal branding. We also serve companies and organizations for product photography, corporate event and advertising, as well as event organizers for weddings and special occasions. Next is a value proposition. We offer high-quality professional photos with creative editing that meets clients' expectations. Our service is flexible in terms of location and concept, allowing customers to choose what suits them best. We also provide complete package, including digital photos, printed photos, and albums to create meaningful and lasting memories. After that, I will talk about channels. We promote our service mainly through social media platforms such as Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook, where customers can view our portfolio. We also use a website, referral from past clients, and freelance service platforms to make booking easier and reach a wider audience. Number 4 is customer relationships. We build strong relationships with our customers through professional consultations before the photo shoot to understand their needs. After the session, we follow up for photo selection and feedback. We also offer friendly communication and loyalty or referral discount to maintain long-term relationships.
Hello and good day too. My name is Muhammad Nur Iman bin Mazlan Sani and my metric number is L2480853. Number 5 is revenue streams. Our main source of income comes from photoshoot session fees. In addition, we earn revenue from premium package such as extra editing, photo albums, printed photos, props and studio rental. We may also offer photography workshops as an additional income source. Is key resources. Our key resources including professional camera, lens, lighting equipment, and studio props. We also use editing software like Photoshop, and Lightroom. Skilled photographer, editor, and strong online portfolio are important resources for our business. Number 7 is key activities. Our main activities involve planning and conducting photo shoot based on customer concept. We also focus on photo editing and retouching, managing bookings, marketing our service, and ensuring all equipment is well maintained. Number 8 is key partnership. We work with printing and album vendors, makeup artists, stylists, event organizers, influencers, and studio owners. This partnership helps us provide complete and professional photoshoot service to our client. Lastly, cost structure. Our costs including purchasing and maintaining photography equipment, software subscription, marketing and advertising expense, staff or freelancer payment, transportation, and studio or location rental fees. That's all from us. Thank you.